Hello, good morning. Welcome to your first lesson in our English folder today. We are in Unit 2, Week 1, Day 2. So today is Tuesday. All right, and we're still working in our mentor text, which focuses on characters develop relationships. All right, so we're going to continue to watch what our characters say, what they do, and what types of relationships do they form to try to understand our characters better. All right, so our objective today is to pay attention to those three things and then infer what our character is like. All right, so if you don't have your mentor text, you might want to pause the video and go and grab it. All right, I would encourage you to do the reading in the book just so you can step away from the computer a little bit. It can be challenging to be on the screen for a long period of time. So take this opportunity to sit back and read and maybe work in a different place than you normally work. Okay, and our focus text today is called The Star in the Strawberry Patch, and it's on pages 8 and 9. Okay, so it looks similar to what we see here in this picture. Okay, and as you read today, you're going to annotate details that help you create mental images of the events in the story. Okay, so remember, annotate. Do you remember that word? All right, we used annotate in order to connect with the text. Right, so this is an example where you can underline and circle words that help you understand the events or what is happening in the story. All right, so you might read it one time, you might read it 2 times. Remember, reading it twice is always better than one. You know, for those of you that have read a chapter book more than once, you understand that there's a deeper meaning or a different meaning when you read it the second time. All right, when you've finished reading, we're going to reread the last 3 paragraphs of The Star in the Strawberry Patch on page 9. What do you learn about Aki's character in these lines? Cite 2 details from the text in your response. All right, so you're looking in those last 3 paragraphs, you're looking for what Aki does, says, or the relationship she has, okay, to try to infer about her character. Or what type of person is she? And now remember to read through the rubric before you start the assignment in Schoology, because in order to earn full credit on this assignment, you have to write in complete sentences, capital letters and periods. Okay, you have to describe Aki's character, and you have to give at least 2 details that support your answer. All right, remember, you can always reach out to your homeroom teacher if you have any questions. All right, and I'll see you again in a few minutes for our phonics lesson.